Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the Mailchimp logo from your email so you can maintain a clean, high-end studio aesthetic for your 2026 campaigns and keep your technical software tutorials looking professional and brand-focused. Let's get into it. First, open your campaign in the new builder. The first step is entering the design environment for your 2026 communications. In 2026, the Mailchimp logo, often called the referral badge, is added to the footer by default on all free accounts. To start the removal process, you must be in the active editing studio. Log in to your Mailchimp dashboard, navigate to the Campaigns tab, and open the email draft you are currently working on. Click the Edit Design button to launch the visual editor. Ensure you are using the new Builder interface. This version offers a more candid view of your footer elements, making it easier to identify the technical blocks that contain the branding assets. Next, scroll down to the footer section. To remove the branding, you need to locate the specific studio block at the very bottom of your email, where Mailchimp automatically places its logo. Hover your mouse over the footer to highlight the structural block. You will notice that the logo is often locked within a specific technical referral zone. In 2026, Mailchimp groups these elements together for compliance. Locating this block is the mechanical necessity for moving toward a more professional, candid design for your technical video audience. Lastly, understand the technical requirement to upgrade. This is a critical step regarding your account status. In 2026, the ability to hide the Mailchimp logo is a premium feature. Look for the section in the settings labeled Referral Badge or Branding. If you are on the free plan, you will see that the toggle is locked. To unlock the studio quality removal, you must upgrade to a paid subscription, such as the Essentials, Standard, or Premium plan. Mailchimp uses the badge as a trade-off for free hosting. Upgrading is the professional standard for 2026 creators who want to remove amateur quality clutter and fully own their brand presentation. And that's pretty much it. To remove the Mailchimp logo in 2026, you first need to upgrade to a paid Mailchimp plan. Once upgraded, open your email in the new builder, scroll to the footer, and click the block to open the settings. Locate the referral badge toggle and switch it to off. This provides a professional studio finish for your latest technical software tutorials and newsletters. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.